It is not perfect, nor does it fly, but it does glitter, and it does shine in the shimmering daylight sky. It is as rough as the ocean, as light as a feather. It is like my very own bright starry night. The golden surface reflects on me, reminding me of all the memories that I once shared. It dances across the room, gliding from one side to the other, as it holds memories and spirits of who I will forever love and who will always stand beside me. A simile is a way of describing two different things by comparing them. A simile uses like or as to show the comparison between two things, unlike a metaphor, which compares two things by saying one is the other. The poet uses simile to describe a butterfly as if it is as rough as the ocean and as light as a feather. This comparison helps us to see the texture of the butterfly and to sense its weight. By using the simile, "It is like my very own bright starry night," we can see the glittering light that the butterfly reflects. So, why do we use simile? Similes make our writing interesting by showing us new ways of seeing familiar things by comparing two things that are different yet similar. When the butterfly is described as rough as the ocean, what does it mean to you? How does it make you feel? Now it's time to create your own similes. Think of an object. Consider its colour, texture, or other characteristics. How could you compare this to something else? See how many similes you can create. How creative can you be?
Hi everyone, welcome to today's video where we will learn how to use similes. This is lesson 6 in the textbook, Listen and Talk 1. You can find it on page 104. Okay, let's begin. Let's start with a warm-up. I want you to guess the animal. I will give you some clues. Try to think of what it is. Okay, let's start. Animal guessing game. It's big. It's cute. It's lazy. It's black and white. That's right. It's a panda. Okay, next. It's smart. It's friendly. It's grey. It swims well. Okay, very good. It's a dolphin. Next. It's small. It's cute. It's spiky. But it has a soft belly. Okay, this is a hedgehog. Next. Some people think this animal is scary. But it is scared of cats. Okay, yes, it's a rat. Some people think it's cute. Some people think it's scary. What do you think? Next. This animal has 4 legs. It looks like a horse. It has 2 colors. Yes, of course, it is a zebra or zebra. Next. This animal has 2 legs and 2 arms. It has a pocket for its baby. Of course, it is a kangaroo. Okay, now let's start today's lesson about similes. What is a simile? Let's discuss now. A simile is a comparison using like or as. What is being compared? Let's look at this example. You plus ice. Right. Both are describing cold. You are as cold as ice. Let's take a look at another example. He plus rhino. What characteristic does a rhino have? They are both describing angry. He is as angry as a rhino. Okay, let's take a look at a third example. Her lipstick and cherry. I wonder. I see. So cherries are red and so is her lipstick. So, her lipstick is as red as a cherry. These are some examples of comparison similes. Let's take a look at a few more. A giraffe is taller than a monkey. An elephant is bigger than a mouse. This is a different type of comparison, where one thing is better than another. The giraffe is taller than a monkey. An elephant is bigger than a mouse. How can we use this in a simile? So we said it is a comparison using like or as. Examples we looked at include: he is as tall as a giraffe. She is angry like a crocodile. You are as friendly as a dolphin. We push and pull like a magnet does. I will always remember the day you kissed my lips, light as a feather. So, let's take a look again at our mouse. He is as small as a mouse. Okay, what about this one? There is no as in between is and small, so we say he is small like a mouse. How about this one? She, smart, Edison. She is as smart as Edison. Or, she is smart like Edison. When you have an as, you must use a second as. She is as smart as, or if there is no as, she is smart like. Okay. Included in today's online class is a worksheet about writing a poem. Similes are often used in poetry, so I want us to write a poem together. Write a poem about someone. It can be a friend, an idol, a superhero, an animation character, or anything else that you would like to write about. I want you to write 8 lines for your poem. Use similes as much as possible. Okay, let's take a look at my example. My example is about Michael Jordan, the basketball player. He can jump high like a cat. And he can run like a cheetah. He is bald like Thanos. And he is as strong as the Hulk. He is tall like a tree. And as fast as the Flash. He practices hard like the New York basketball team. And he has a lot of money like Bill Gates. Okay, this was my poem about Michael Jordan. You can see I use the phrases like a and as strong as fast as. I want you to do the same. Here are some words you can use as descriptions. Some are for personality. Let's check them now. Repeat after me. Brave, cowardly, friendly, funny, hardworking, lazy, honest, kind, mean, evil, heroic, loud, quiet, shy, smart, stupid. Other adjectives or descriptions we can use are about appearance. Let's take a look at these ones, and please repeat after me. Tall, short, big, small, fat, skinny, beautiful, ugly. You can find a list of these words on the worksheet. If you need to, you can check the meaning at home. But I think you know a lot of them already. Okay, good luck with today's assignment. Until next time, bye bye.